Karen Garland is a kindergarten to 5th grade science teacher at Clark Creek Elementary STEM Academy in Canton, Georgia. She uses a school garden to heighten students' sensory awareness and broaden their knowledge of soil health, weather, ecosystems, and habitat conservation. The school is a Title I facility in a community that has high obesity rates. Garland thinks of herself as a facilitator and motivator who provides opportunities for her students to explore the outdoors and engage in more movement-oriented activities. The school garden is a hands-on tool for food nutrition education that teaches children about the importance of nutrition and healthful eating. Students at Clark Creek use garden bed and vertical planters to grow vegetables, fruits, and flowers. In the process, they learn about life cycles, pollination, classification, and healthy habitat requirements. They water, weed, touch, taste, and learn about the food they are growing, and record wildlife observations about birds and butterflies. Leadership, collaboration, and teamwork skills are all a natural byproduct of such experiences, contributing to self-confidence. Garland prepares grade-level appropriate lesson plans for each of her classes, ranging from drawings of the natural world to studies about weather, erosion, conservation, and ecosystems. She also endeavors to expand their awareness of how agriculture plays a role not just in the food they eat, but in the clothes they wear, the vehicles they ride in, and the everyday items integral to their lives. All lessons include connections to real-world applications and potential career pathways. Produce items grown by students such as legumes have been harvested and turned into fresh black bean salsa with a little help from tomatoes and onions. Squash also made a debut in the garden. The zucchini and yellow squash varieties were turned into tasty fritters. Healthful vegetables like radishes and carrots were real hits, as well as collard greens that ended up in the Portuguese caldo verde soup. Learning about the vital link between freshly grown food and health, Garland students have been empowered to create their own backyard gardens. They've learned how to space seeds, water appropriately, gauge sun requirements, harvest and prepare the fruits of their labor. On STEM Career Day each year, farmers, farriers, extension agents, and even beekeepers are invited to share their wit and wisdom with her classes. Another yearly experiment Garland undertakes is the hatching and raising of baby chickens in the science lab. Students are full of wonder as they see what happens from the 21-day incubation period to the first peep observed. Through such experiences, they develop care, compassion, and respect for other living creatures. Garland also started an after-school garden club for 60 1st through 5th grade students. Passionate about the beneficial impact outdoor learning can have on children, she makes presentations at conferences throughout the state on citizen science projects, teaching STEM in the garden, and farm-to-school activities. Garland's buoyant enthusiasm for hands-on learning has made a practical and healthy difference to the well-being of her students. Karen Garland, 2021 National Excellence in Teaching About Agriculture Award recipient.